Hello everyone. Today we are now we are seeing the FDA form, that is FDA 1572 form. The statement of the investigator form FDA 1572 is an agreement signed by the investigator to provide the certain information to the sponsor and assure that he or she will comply with the FDA regulations related to the conduct of a clinical investigation of an investigational drug or a biologics. The form FDA 1572 serves the it has mainly two purposes. That is the first is to provide the sponsor with the investigator's qualification and the information about the clinical site. In a summary, the first purpose is to inform the sponsor that the investigator is a qualified and the clinical site is an appropriate location for the clinical investigation. The second purpose, the main second purpose is to inform and clarify the obligation of the investigator and to acquire the investigator's commitment to follow the permanent FDA regulations. The investigators must complete the form as accurately as they can and must understand that with fully false statement is the criminal offenses, and the submission of the deliberately false statement to the sponsor or the agency can lead to the disqualification. When the new investigators are assigned to a clinical investigation under this act, under this INDA, that is investigational new drug application, the sponsor completes and the sign a form 1572 before allowing the investigator to get involved in the clinical investigation. Now, the investigator should sign the form after receiving enough information about the clinical investigation and the commitments. And it is described in the section 9 of the 1572. The investigator must receive, study and understand investigation protocols. The investigator brochure, if required, and must be familiar with the regulations governing the conduct of the clinical studies. The investigator's signature on the form confirm his or her qualification and the commitment to conduct the clinical investigation according to the FDA regulations. Now,